Hey Yolanda, how are you? Yep, it's me. What infection? She has to go back to the hospital? For how long? When do you want her there? Oh man, she's not gonna be happy to hear this. Let me figure something out. I can't go there now because I'm at a trade show in Toronto. I just got here actually. Okay. I'll have my dad bring her to you. Okay. Okay. What else do you need? Okay. Thanks so much for calling. Talk to you soon.
Nakaka na yung tissue. Classes. So what do you think? 3 lang ang nabenta mo.
Ano siya may sale.
Ano yung...
Anong paano niya ako niya? Nasa Facebook ka, kita mo?
Kamusta na?
There were moments where I didn't even recognize myself. I was showing up every day, getting things done, being strong for everyone else. But inside, I felt disconnected from my energy, from my purpose, from the part of me that used to feel so alive. But the truth is, I wasn't lost. I wasn't off track. This was my purpose. God gave me these past 2 years the freedom to move between Vancouver to Toronto, not just to build a business, but to be there for my mom, to give her the time, the attention, and the love I didn't get to give her before. And no matter what happens after this season, I know I was given something really special. And I'm grateful for that. Because I got to show up for her. I got to really be her for her. Fully.
Mom! Mom!
Wala pa sa halo, wala ba?
Oo, kailangan na parang bread na dinilid mo.
Kuha pa sa tubig to.
See you guys later. Bye.
Thank you na. Ang gabot mo, ay ko kalimutan.
Six months ago, I disappeared from the road, not because I wanted to, but because life demanded me to slow down. This winter, I was in Ontario, not chasing sunsets or camping under the stars, but being a caregiver to my mom, running my business alone, packing orders, designing the summer collection, and showing up to trade shows by myself. It wasn't the adventure I imagined. It was quiet, it was heavy, and honestly, it was exhausting. But somewhere in that stillness, I started to see things differently. Nature doesn't bloom all year. Rivers freeze, trees lose their leaves, everything slows down, but nothing stops growing. And I realized maybe I wasn't falling behind. Maybe I was just in my winter, a season of building roots, of resilience, of learning how to keep going even when no one sees it. And now things are shifting again. The snow have melted, the days are longer, and slowly life returns. So if you're in a season that feels slow, heavy, or uncertain, you're not stuck, even when it feels like nothing is changing, even when no one else can see it. You're growing in ways you can't see yet. Roots are forming, strength is building, something is quietly preparing you for what's next. And just like nature, when the time is right, you won't have to force it. You won't have to rush it. You'll bloom.